For the in color assignment, I tried to keep it to where I wanted to do. I tried to manipulate the gradient, which I personally like the gradient a lot. It's a really good thing within the Illustrator. I try to keep the lighter color red at the base to give it like a nice ombre effect towards the bottom of the edge of the dress. I also did that to the top. I manipulated to as to where I wanted a lot of the darker colors, how far I wanted the orange, how big I wanted the yellow. I tried to incorporate it also with the hat. So like the lighter point would be here, edges would be darker. Did that same with the top. I tried keeping it to how I wanted it to look like, especially with the gradient. When I did it, I just had to make sure that the outlines are turned off. Then I went into here, click on gradient. Give me 1 second. When this came up, I just went here. I typed in orange to yellow. And then right here is how far I want the yellow to go, the orange, the dark orange, then the red, how far I wanted the red to be, just to manipulate where how I wanted it to go. Then there's different sections of the ombre effect. I very much like this, how it worked out, because like it was a really good experience for me. You can always manipulate the colors to what you want them to do, where you want them to be. I think I did a good job with it. I try to keep it real cohesive, but when I did it, I just went here. Since the outline is gone, I just went underneath the lower layer and it would just go around the edges of the circle, and it will still give you the gradient regardless of how you wanted it or how you wanted it to be placed. That's when that button came in like really well, because like if you can see in the corner, you can always adjust how you wanted it to go, where do you want it to end. I personally picked this one because it gives you like that nice glow effect like in a circle. I really like the gradient look, so I had fun playing with this assignment. And then I did different layers so that the layer of the dress doesn't mess around with anything else. I had a great time with this assignment.